So hello everybody, today we are at Classic Cars of South Carolina. It's between Columbia and Greenville, South Carolina. There is a ton of vehicles here under $20,000, so we're going to take a look at some of these awesome vehicles they got here today. This is going to be fun. We got a 1976 Chevy Corvette. They're asking $15,000. Love the Stingrays. This 79 Pontiac Grand Prix says sold $8,500. Man, it's nice looking. Got a 69 Ford. They're asking $15,000 for this one. Classic truck right up my alley. This would be an awesome daily driver. This bad boy is only $7,000. Look at that. Imagine if you restored that, how cool that would be. It'd be the coolest thing in any of the little vacation spots like Ocean Lakes. Oh my gosh. 77 Pontiac Trans Am. Got an asking price of $12,000 there. Obviously needs a lot of work, but man, could that be something. Here's a 77, another 77 Pontiac Firebird. You can see they're asking $2,500. A ton of work is needed, but it's a start. '69 Mustang, $5,000. Let's take a peek inside. '80 Camaro Z28. They're asking $8,500. Volkswagen Bug. $6,000. Now this one is well above the $20,000. Still want to show it to all of you though. Just a beautiful car. There's a little bit of the info for you guys. And it looks great even in this rainy weather today. It looks really nice. And if you're in the market for a Dodge Ram truck, they got that there here for you too. On a nicer day, you could spend hours out here checking everything out. There's a ton to see here. This old guy, they're asking $3,500 for it. This old Chevy Camaro is marked as sold. Can't imagine it being more than 1,000 or 2,000 probably. This one looks in a little bit better shape than a lot of the cars here. They're asking $7,500 for it. This is a great wedding car. I would agree with that. Got a little wedding business going on. 54 Chevy next to it. They're asking $2,500. And then 63 Thunderbird, $3,500. 49 Chevy Deluxe Fastback, asking $3,000 for it. '65 Chevy Impala, $5,000. IROC Z for $3,000. There isn't a price on this one, but how cool would it be to bring this one back to life? Oh, take that back. There is a price. 45 Ford, $7,500. This 53 Buick is marked as sold. They were asking $2,000 for it. So that is it for our video today. As you can see, most of these are well under $10,000. Some true classic cars. Obviously, they need some work. But yeah, if you had the time and the money to put some work into some of these, you could have some really awesome classic cars to own. It's Classic Cars of South Carolina. I'll put the address in the description. And yeah, if you have time, come check this place out. Some really neat selection of classic cars. Like, how cool is that? Got any questions, leave them in the comments. Appreciate y'all for watching, especially if you watched to the very end. Appreciate it very much. All right, till next time.